Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi. I did a thing. I bought a 87p doll, and I thought, oh, what can I do to this doll? So I decided to scalp her, basically. Um, so yeah, I'm cutting off the hair. So now she's Locks, and I'm pulling the rest out with my pliers. Some of them are a bit tough. I'm really struggling to pull it, but I'll get it out eventually. And the hair will not be wasted. I will use it in something. I mean, these little bits make a great tumbleweed. Now that's an idea. Tumbleweed. It's a bit like my brain at the minute. There's just tumbleweeds just rolling through it. Um, so I'm using polymer clay today to make it an outfit and change its head. And I do apologise. Half the time I'm not even on camera. Um, I've got my arms comfortable and forgot where I were. So yeah, I am putting things on its head. You can't see it, but I am. Honest. You can barely see it. It's coming. There we go. I remembered I'm not on camera. So I'm putting some ears on and I'm putting its hair on. And you're probably thinking, polymer clay, well, that needs to be cooked. And this is a plastic doll. Uh, that's going to melt. Well, that's what I thought too. So I wasn't going to make this all fancy just in case I ended up with a nice plasticky, melty blob in the oven. So I didn't want to waste too much clay, so I thought I'd just do it simple. Just a simple little thing. Yeah, a little simple thing ended up being a little bit more complicated. But it is cute. I like it. And I'm putting a little flower cap. You know the green bits on, say like what sort of flower am I thinking? One of them that looks like a flute. The cap bits, the green cap bits, that's the hat. And I'm just putting some ears on, little pixie ears, even though it's a fairy. So it's a pixie fairy kind of dark fairy. Well, it'll be a dark fairy because it's going to have some moth wings. I found some lovely moth clips. Not clips because they didn't actually have any clips on. They're just really cute. Now, you see, I'm putting this on his face. I was thinking of making it more pixie-like, and I'm faffing and I'm faffing, and I've got it all shaped out, and it looks like a beard, and I'm thinking, not sure about this. But I carry on, and I carry on, and I'm looking at it, and I'm thinking, yeah, okay, fine. And I'm just decorating the hat a little bit more so it looks more petally, leafy, leafy. And I'm using the tool just to smooth it and get into them little spaces and put the actual shape of the leaf in. And that face is still there, and I have to keep checking it because I keep squishing it. And, uh, yeah, this face. Yeah, it's a good job it's not on camera actually because it is horrible. I don't like it. I mean, it probably would have looked nice by the time I'd finished faffing, but I just, I mean, I'm trying to attempt doing a nose here. And first off, I'm trying to think, oh, well, shall I make it humanised nose? And then shall I make it cat-like? And oh, I wasn't feeling it. Was not feeling it at all. I'd put texture in and nostrils, and I kept just smoothing it and thinking, I don't like this. Then I've put this stupid grin on its face, and eh, you can tell I'm not liking it with my voice, can't you? It's just, ugh. And of course, I've squished its ears a couple of times because I haven't baked it, which is good because I needed to take that off. I mean, look. It just looks like a pussycat now, or a cross between a cat and the Joker, or even the Green Goblin, I suppose. Looks ridiculous. I mean, I'm even thinking, should I put something in its mouth so it looks more cat-like? And I did quite like the mouth, but yeah, it just didn't. Like I said, I couldn't feel it. It just wasn't working for me. It wasn't cute. I wanted cute, so I'm putting its collar on, and this doll is posable, but by the time I put the polymer clay on, that won't be posable anymore. It'll just be where it is because the clay hardens, obviously. I say obviously, not everybody knows that, so I do apologise if you're a complete beginner to polymer clay. I just assume everybody knows as much as I do. And I'm putting in little cap sleeves, and that face is still attached. Still attached. Won't be for long.
Very cute as can be, flying round the magic trees, sprinkling dust and dreams with glee. Oh, she's wild and free, visiting her friends in Mushroom Land. They smile and cheer through the daylight and the night. She's got nothing to fear. Wings of silver glistening bright, twinkling in the light, dancing with the dandelions till the morning glows. In the garden of delight, where tulips softly sway, playing hide and seek with shadows, letting worries flow away. She's a fairy flying high, no worries in her eyes. Through the mushrooms and the vines, she's laughing at the skies. Underneath the moon's soft glow, she spins a thread of dreams. Fairyland, her charming home, where all is what it seems. Whispers in the willow trees, she hears the ancient lore, secrets that have never aged, tales of joy and more. Twiggy bridges made of gold cross the crystal streams. Fairyland, where stories old become the sweetest dreams. With her wand made from the oak, she casts her gentle light, showing kindness to the folk, bringing peace at night. In the meadow by the brook, where lilies bow in grace. Fairyland, where love can croon in every single place. She's a fairy flying high, no worries in her eyes. Through the mushrooms and the vines, she's laughing at the skies. Underneath the moon's soft glow, she spins a thread of dreams. Fairyland, her charming home, where all is what it seems.
So as you can see, it has been fully baked, and there is a crack down the back. That's basically because I put it too tight and too thin. So obviously it's spragged open. I keep saying obviously, not everybody knows. I'm sorry. I don't mind that. It's okay because I'm putting wings on, so you won't see it. And I'm painting it now, just with ordinary acrylic paints. Basically a bit of a dry brush on the skin, because I'm going to build that up a little bit. And again, I keep going off camera, I keep forgetting. I've made some little shoes. She doesn't stand on her own unless I sprag her feet open. And then she's good. But I think I'm going to make a little diorama. I've got this huge blooming mushroom thing. I say huge, it's heavy. It's made out of plaster of Paris. And it's still white. I haven't done anything to it. So maybe next time I use this fairy, I'll make a little diorama, a little fairy garden. 'Cause I do quite like this fairy. It's quite cute. Um, I'm doing it in red because I just think red and green seem to really go together. Although it looks more blue at the minute, even though that is like a greeny turquoise. It's hard to see on the camera what colour I'm actually using, but honestly, it is like a greeny colour. And the little outfit's going to be red, and I'm going to darken it a little bit. And the belt's going to be gold, and I've got some really nice, what they called, metallics. There we go. Just got them from range, cheap as chips, and I must do these lips about a million times. And in the end, I just give up and just think, stuff it. She's a fairy. She can be wearing tarty makeup if she wants to. God. And she's not a good fairy. She's not a bad fairy either. She's just a naughty fairy. I don't know what to call her either. I'll have to think about a name, unless you can think of one for me. What shall I call a naughty little um fairy? I mean, nerdy goblin sounds good, or uh knick-knack, because they're naughty people. That'd fit. Well, we'll see. But yeah, pop me a comment and tell me what name you think it'd suit. Um, I really can't think of a name. Yeah, I'm doing another layer of paint. I'm doing it a bit thicker this time because I've noticed it's sticking well. And I've gone over her eyes because I don't like her eyes. Um, Although when I paint them, they don't look much different. But I give her brown eyes rather than blue eyes because I think the blue would disappear in the skin. And she's got brown hair, so brown hair, brown eyes, that kind of thing. And the polymer clay is lovely to paint. I love painting polymer clay. I'm not very good when it comes to mixing the colours. I'm much happier just to use bold white and then just paint the blooming thing. I don't know what I'm going to try and say there, but that was not going to be a good word. So yeah, I'm painting it, and I paint the eyes brown first, and then I think, oh, you div, you should really have done them white first. So I ended up having to go back and start again on the eyes because they just didn't look right. But that beard, well, I say beard, it looked like a beard. That had to go. She's gone back to being all cute now. And maybe I'll do another one. Maybe I'll make a troll out of one. Ooh, a troll. Ooh, that's not a bad idea. Ooh, or even a soldier from the army in the Goblin City in Labyrinth. Ooh, that'd be nice. I can make a little bomb too. Oh, the ideas are coming. I just wish the ideas for the Burton house would jump out at me, because they're not, still not. And this I'm using as like a highlight. Oh, it gives such a lovely sheen. And the purple over the bluey greeny colour looks lovely. So now it's time to put on the wings. This was a nightmare. But you'll see me just holding them down for a long while, and I'm going to take some pictures and leave you with the before and afters. So I hope you really liked this, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give me a thumbs up, please. And give me a comment, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you all, and bye bye.
shadows light a sing. Goth unicorn with a blackened wing. Happy she dances under moonlit nights, creating beauty, spurring on delight. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Her hooves tap softly to the softest bells, crafting wonders in her secret spells. From threads of silver and whispers bright, a tapestry woven in the dark of night. Goth unicorn.